Welcome to practice. Thank you for tuning in. In this video, we will see how we can implement the Capstone project of restaurant and food delivery analytics dashboard. So here I am on the practice website. I'm filtering out with the Capstone project filter. And here I can see restaurant order and delivery analytics Capstone project with Power BI. Let's see what it is all about. So the business objective of this particular dashboard is to build the restaurant order and delivery performance. And this particular product contains six data sets in the CSV format: orders, order item, menu item, delivery details, restaurant, and reviews. So let me log in into the dashboard. Here I clicked on the login button. So after login, I come to the dashboard page where I can access my latest purchase of this Power BI Capstone project. I click on this Let's Practice, and this will land me at the lab content area. So this Capstone project contains the lab section, the dataset download attached to this product, and I can share the feedback which I have already done. So let's move into the lab content. Here you can see the different sections are available, like what is the prerequisite to use this Capstone project, what is the objective, what kind of skills I'm going to use, what skills after you will actually gain post completion of this Capstone project, what is the food delivery business background, what are the key segments, driver of the drivers of the growth, challenges, and emerging trend. And then you can see the data sets attached to this data set summary, the relationship, what relationship you need to create during the data modeling, what are the different tables and columns, snapshots are attached to each of the data set table. And here are the dashboard requirement pages. So for example, executive summary pages there, in which we need to calculate the key matrices like total orders, total revenue, average delivery time, what kind of filters we need to apply for the analyzing the data. Similarly, you can see order and revenue analysis, menu item analysis, the restaurant performance, the customer feedback and review insight, and delivery operations. So these are the 6 pages by which you can read each of the particular business requirement of each page and create the Capstone projects. Let's get into the download section. So here you can see the each dataset description, what kind of column it has, what kind of KPIs you can drive out of these datasets. So that's how you can access the information for each of the dataset. Here I'm going to download each file. So I'm just clicking on each section and then clicking on the download button, and all the data sets are available in my download section. So you can see all those 6 files are there in the CSV format. Now let's move to the Power BI section. So I'm just opening up the Power BI, and then you can create a blank report. After this, all you need to go to the text and CSV format, go to your download folder. One by one you can load the data by exporting the file into PBI file. So data is loading. So I'm going to repeat this exercise for all other remaining 5 files. This is just implementation video to gain the understanding about the datasets and all of those things. Let's move back to the lab content area. Now since I have loaded all the dataset files into this, so I can begin with the, let's say, the relationship. Order table is connected with the order items table with the order ID column. So I'm just going to right click on orders, go to the manage relationship, click on the new relationship and then select the order and select the order ID and then click on the order items, and order ID is already there, so it is created one to many relationship. Click on this, and then second relationship is between order items menu item ID and the menu items table with the menu item ID. So I'm going to repeat again this one. So menu item ID, and what was other is order items. So I'm going to select the order items, menu item ID, and it is having the many to many relationship. So I'm fine with that as of now. And using this, I can just create that. Okay. And I can save this file in my desktop. Let's say that food delivery analysis dashboard. I can save it by default, and then now you can come back to the page. So let's say I'm just going to attempt this first page. So to first page name is executive summary. So I copy this one from here and rename my first page. And if you see the total orders I need to create, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new measure. So in this total orders, I'll calculate the count of order IDs from orders, order ID, and then insert the KPI card and bring that measure on this. So that contains the total 20K orders, and I can rename this. So this is how you can actually create the KPIs, whatever are listed into this requirement. So this is the way how you can actually implement it. And if you find any difficulty, you can always reach out to us by either clicking on the contact us form. You can fill up this form, and we'll receive your email and will reply on your queries, or you can directly write to us using this email contact@practice.com, and we will address your concern